The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Parker County in north-central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, northern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Lake Palo Pinto, or 11 miles south of Mineral Wells, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brock around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Western Lake around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Weatherford around 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Annette around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Brock Junction, Santo, Dennis, Annetta South, Mingus, Bennett, New Salem, Millsap, Tantop, and Horseshoe Bend. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 369 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, get inside a sturdy